We on the run, guys. Yeah. So this is Nairobi. It's up, guys. As you can see, we are heading back. So we have some kind of cars. These are, they call them Ubers. Uber. Yeah. So you see, these are Ubers, and these they are mats. See, they are designed. Ooh. So guys, and yeah. So and also you see here, this is also they have an app, like you locate where you're going, and the money which you have to pay is also there. That is very good, and I really appreciate that for everything. So whoa, maneuvering, you know, it's easy. Now you see a lot of traffic jam here. So I think if I could use a matatu, I could not catch my bus to where I'm going, guys. So you see, have a traffic jam, but you see here we are maneuvering with a motorbike. So yeah, wow. City hopper. Hizi city hoppers zinakuwaga za nani? Za gava. Oh. Also, I was trying to ask if this company is for government, but told me no. Yeah, see how we are maneuvering, guys. Oh. Whoa, huh? Traffic is so big, but huh? You're passing. See, we have a lot of Uber here. Yeah. So guys, finally we are leaving. You know, Nairobi is very, very much expensive. This, hey, you know, this motorbike is not like giving the sound. It's very silent. And this inaitwaje? Hii nyumba hii. Oh, hii building. Eh. I think we have this house over here, which is for, I think, athletics. You can see the artists. The art that is here, it's the arts are very nice, guys. So this is for athletics. I think athletics house or whatever. Yeah, we hear from, and so here is maneuvering, guys, so that we can find our way where we are going. Yeah. Also people are maneuvering. Don't know if you can pass here. Wow, this is Nairobi, guys. Yeah, and sorry guys if you missed me. Yeah, I was going through a lot here in Nairobi, Kenya, but yeah, God is good. We're back, and yeah, we're going to do it, I believe. Yeah. So guys, and also if you don't know, this is January. I don't know where you're watching from, if they say like January is in January. January means like there's a lot of like no money, no everything, you know. It's hard. People are going back to school, like students, like, you know, paying bills. So hard for people in the city. Yeah, so it's very hard for people here to survive in Nairobi. So for me also it was very hard, but anyway I survived. My best. So you can see I'm carrying my kiondo here, and also my bag behind my back, and everything that I have. So yeah. So January nakupelekaje? Unajua kizungu? How is January taking you?
January is not that bad.
Yeah.
It's only the dry weather.
Dry weather.
Yeah, the sun is on, you see. So hot at midday. Yeah.
Oh. And how do you see like January? People say like fees is very hard, rent is there, you know, everything is there. How is it for you?
For me, I do say like, let's say it's mindset.
Mindset, yeah?
Because the way you set your mind is the way January will maneuver you.
Yo. So for you, January is good for you?
For me, I see it's good.
Oh, it's good?
Yeah, it's good.
Hey. Guys, the first person I'm seeing here in Nairobi saying January is good, this person, guys. But anyway, if you come in Nairobi, maybe you can, I have now your number, yes?
Yeah.
Maybe my friend can come to Nairobi, I will direct him to you. Maybe, yeah. So the first guy I'm meeting in Nairobi is saying that Nairobi is good, is your mindset. But for me, guys, very hard. Yeah, maybe you have been here for long, but I think everywhere is hard. So from your end, guys, you can tell me. Yeah, but we are still maneuvering. Still maneuvering, guys. Oh, yeah. So we are almost at the CBD. The CBD. So you do your work from evening to, from like morning to morning, or?
No, from midday.
Oh, midday.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yaje? Asemaje? Hakuna bro. Yeah, so some people don't like being filmed, but I don't feel anyone without his concern.
That way to the CBD now.
Yeah?
This way.
Yeah.
CBD
so we're going to CBD. Wow, guys, how do you think about the Nairobi city right now? Yeah, this is at night. It's almost 10. So I'm going to pick my bus. We are almost there, guys. So keep on tuned, guys, as I show you Nairobi, and also this will be maybe the last episode here in Nairobi, because I had to fix the camera. It had a problem. I had to fix my camera, guys. It was very hard for me. It was very sad. I was like, maybe I will not do some videos no more. But now we are back, guys. We are back, and kindly support, subscribe, and share the videos. And yeah, so here, this is physical, guys. We are here. Whoa. This is Mashpo. I think this is going to Mombasa. Whoa! So guys, yes, so this is good, guys. We're moving, and a lot of people here traveling. A lot of buses park here. People to travel to various places, not only villages, also Kampala, to maybe Rwanda, anywhere village. So this is easy, guys. So here is where I'm alighting, and I want to say thank you so much, bro. Kazi njema, God bless you abundantly. Yeah, peace and love, guys. Let's move. Yeah, so guys, still waiting for our bus so that we can. I already bought it. My ticket is here. My ticket is here. So I'm at around the booking station. So I think we are going to check our bus from here. Yeah. So we have a lot of people. Yeah, this is the place that you can take your bus from. I think Easy Coach is the best place. And also, guys, if you didn't know, It's Nasto used to work from Easy Coach around our place, that is Wendo. So this is the place where you are light when you come from the village. So this is a window. Yeah, a lot of people are here to go back home, so you can go anywhere that you want to go. And also, Guardian Angel is also here. Trying to make way for cars to pass. Yeah. So guys, are you ready for the next destination? I know guys, I have not been uploading a lot of lectures from this, so anyway, we are here. Yeah, we are going back home. Nauza vitu gani? Gani inanitosha? Hii ni kubwa. Hizo ni kubwa.
Kubwa. Namba ndio hii pia.
Bana namba ndogo.
Ndio hii.
Hii sasa hii ni ya wasichana.
Hizi ndio wasichana. Unaona nikwambia.
Hii ni ya wasichana. Na hii. Hauna kiatu ya
ndio hiro nimekwambia hii mwanangu.
Hii ni kubwa sana, mwanangu kubwa sana. Changia.
Sasa sichukue banga mkono. Bango la mkono.
Mkono gani?
Ya Kenya.
Ya Kenya niko nayo. Kenya,
Uganda.
Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda.
Chukua Kenya peke yake.
Kenya niko nayo.
Hero hii nini ndio ananiangalisha? Nini? Hebu.
Ongea kitu hapo.
Kitu gani?
Iko watu huko wanakuona. Sema kitu. Sema kwa Kizungu. Sema unauza hizi vitu wakuchangie wakikuja. Sema kwa Kizungu.
Leza niangalie pia mimi. Nise na mimi.
Nikuzie.
Lakini angalia acha kwa.
Sawa sawa. So guys, we have a lot of Maasais here. Selling a lot of Maasai shoes here. We don't have one for me. Yeah, so we are going in. You get on to. You guys get on to. I'm back. Let's go back. I don't know if we can record in there, but I'll let you know in a few. But anyway, if you want to book a bus from Nairobi to anywhere, to Kampala, to maybe, I don't know if these buses go to Uganda, but you can book from here. You can book from Easy Coach. I really believe in Easy Coach because I have been using Easy Coach, and also you can ask from Nasto. He has been in Easy Coach for a very long time, so I believe this is the best place. So guys, yeah, we are here after a long time. We are here, guys. Yeah, so we are moving, traveling. A lot of people are here traveling. Whoa! Sorry. Yeah, so guys, we're trying to locate our bus. Relocate. Trying to get where I can like find my bus. Yeah, this is difficult. So a lot of people here. Oh, so we are the end. Yeah, guys, let's wait for our bus. It's coming.